Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable search suggestions in the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. This feature helps you get faster and more accurate search results. Open the Firefox browser app on your mobile phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In top screen, tap on Search. Now, turn on the toggle for Show Search Suggestions to enable this feature. Additionally, if you want to see search suggestions during private browsing sessions, scroll down and enable the option for Show in Private Sessions. Once both options are enabled, your Firefox mobile browser will display search suggestions as you type, improving your browsing experience. To wrap up, enabling search suggestions in Firefox Mobile is quick and simple, and it can save you time while searching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.